Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can add unit of measurement on TranZact. So from inventory itself, we have provided to the feature to add unit of measurement while adding the item. You can very well go ahead and define it in your settings master as well. From there, we will guide you how you can add, edit or delete it. First of all, you need to go in settings module on your left hand side panel. In the very bottom, you need to go in settings module. Please click on this. Now, after that, you need to go in inventory segment. In inventory, you will find unit of measurement. On your right hand side, very top, you will see option of add unit of measurement. Please click on this. Here you can define a new unit of measurement as a master. So I will add GMS grams. You can select e-way bill UOM, map it as per your requirement, as it will be helpful while creating the e-way bill as well. You can put the unit description as per your requirement and then after click on save. So please check this particular unit of measurement is added. Now suppose I want to go ahead and edit or delete any unit of measurement, how I can do it? Please check, as you can see that grams is already added in my unit of measurement. So I want to remove this particular grams unit of measurement. So I will go on three dot and I will see option of delete. Click on delete, it will ask for a confirmation. Click on yes, and this particular grams have been removed. Now in this GMS which I added just right now, I want to edit it and put the e-way bill UOM. How I can do it? Hover on the three dot, click on edit, then after go to e-way bill UOM and I will check for grams here. So here is the grams. I will select it and click on save. Now please check the changes are reflected. So this is how you can add, edit or delete unit of measurement in your settings module, and accordingly it will get displayed and reflected in your inventory as well. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while adding unit of measurement. Have a good day ahead.